Hello everyone. So this is a different video. I work at a gym, it's called Chuze Fitness, and when the kids club was open I would work back there a lot. But since kids club is closed right now, I am making videos for all the kiddos to enjoy at home, and I was given the permission to also post it on my YouTube channel as well. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. There's a lot of arts and crafts type videos. There's some comedy videos throughout the gym that I think you guys might like, but yeah, you guys can kind of see the work atmosphere that I'm at as well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Here you go.
You make me smile.
Hello everyone, my name is Megan,
And my name is Aidan.
and today we're going to show you how to make a paper airplane.
I had no idea how to make one.
So that's what this video is for. We used to make these all the time back in kids club.
So we're going to make sure you guys know how to make one at home. Make sure you don't fly all around the house, though.
Or at least pick them up so your parents don't find paper airplanes everywhere.
Yeah.
So first you're going to need a piece of paper.
Yeah, a piece of paper. Oh, I'm excited. Wait, what are you doing?
I gotta fold this. Anyways, we're going to fold this in half,
What? Wait.
hot dog style.
Hot dog. I want a hot dog.
You can't have a hot dog.
I want to eat this.
You can't eat the paper, Aidan.
Alright, fine.
Fold it in half just like this. So there you go, you have your hot dog.
That doesn't look like a hot dog.
Just keep listening. Then you're going to fold each upper corner into the middle crease that you have right there.
Oh, so like a triangle.
Yes, exactly, like a triangle. And you're going to do it to the other side. Fold it just like that.
Ooh, I like this. Now what?
And then you have to fold it back the other way. So you're going to flip your piece of paper over. You're going to make a bigger triangle.
That's not a triangle.
It has 3 sides.
So? It doesn't look like a triangle.
You're going to fold it to the middle again, that middle crease on the back side.
It's just confusing.
It'll make more sense once we all put it together. There we go. And then that crease that you made already, you're going to fold it inward one more time. See that bottom part right there?
Uh-huh. That's not a triangle. That has a flat top.
It does have a flat top. You're going to fold that in towards the crease just like that. There you go. And then that crease that you had, you're going to fold it back the opposite way. So this is the completed paper airplane.
It doesn't fly very well.
Well, look, here, go ahead and throw it. Here, you're going to throw it like this, like.
Yeah, that's plain. It doesn't go very far.
Okay, well, I don't know what to tell you, Aidan.
I think we need to talk to the maintenance guy.
Jerred?
Yeah.
Jerred's not going to know what to do.
What? He knows everything. He's the maintenance guy. Duh.
Okay, fine, we can go ask Jerred if he knows how to fix the paper airplane.
All right, cool. Let's go. What did you do? What seems to do the problem?
Well, Aidan, first off, you're going to need some tape.
Tape?
Yep, you're going to need tape to fix this thing. It's not looking very good.
All right, fine. I guess we'll try that.
Let's go give that a try.
Okay.
All right, so we just put some tape on here.
So hopefully it flies a little bit further.
Hopefully this isn't,
A lame paper airplane.
it's not lame. Let's see how far this flies.
Woo! That's fast.
It's fast. I hope that you guys liked today's little video.
And if you guys have any arts and crafts in mind,
Make sure you comment, and we'll make sure that we can make videos regarding those arts and crafts. We miss making arts and crafts back here with you guys, and we want to make sure you guys can make them at home still.
and it's going to be pretty easy, so you can find the materials wherever you need them.
Yep, we want it to be easily accessible for everyone.
Uh-huh.
We'll see you guys later.
Choose you later.